Well, hello. All right, here we are in February. Can you believe it? I know I can't. All right, so yes, I did notice this. It is Monday and Tuesday. I'm very sorry. I don't know how that slipped. But it is February 1st, Monday or Tuesday, February 2nd. For our announcement, make sure your learning check the not what you're used to. Why is the sky blue? Teaching that to a third grader is due Wednesday. For your materials, obviously you need Canvas. And we are still in lesson 6. Today we're going to focus on sound waves. Super duper duper important because this will be a big part of your EWIT final coming up next week. And here are our objectives, regular objectives, and our specific learning objectives for today. So we start with some notes, FetSim, and some other cool stuff. Let me show you this. So yeah, here's our PowerPoint, and it starts out, and everything is recorded in the PowerPoint, so you don't need me to go through it now, but this is the first slide, and we're looking at, or you're listening to what different planets sound like. Super duper cool. You can go to NASA, that's along the way in the PowerPoint. NASA has some other video clips you can listen to. I tell you why. You can actually hear things in space, because if you were in space, nobody would hear you scream. And there's some stuff. And then, we don't need to hear Spotifino talking. But yeah, your usual notes, you fill in what's, and then you have a bunch. There's your FetSim, some really, really cool stuff for you to, really cool stuff for you to watch. Please make sure you're watching them. And just, these are definitely things we would watch in class. So you don't want to miss stuff like watching the non-Newtonian substance, moving on a speaker, and changing a water trickle using different frequency sounds. So really, really cool. Take advantage of that and watch all of that. For your assignment today is, again, I have it all in the PowerPoint for you and everything. There's me talking through it, which you don't need to hear here. But you are basically going to explore by just using some everyday items in your house to look at how sound waves travel through solids, liquids, and gases. And then you can choose how you are going to demonstrate your learning to me, but definitely has to have a visual component to it. You can't just type me a few sentences. So that is all explained here in the PowerPoint for you. You submit that. I did leave it open through February 7th, which is Sunday. So you have more than enough time to get this done. And then, of course, your checklist. Make sure you've completed lesson 6, sound wave notes. I watched all the videos and took some notes for ideas or what stood out. I completed and submitted the exploring sound waves through different mediums assignment. I completed, or I'm almost finished with the learning check, why is the sky blue? So if you had time left today, I recommended you worked on it, but of course you have Wednesday to finish that up. And please don't ever hesitate to ask questions during live session, via email, via this messaging, or by attending student support time, which is from 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. and on Wednesdays, 10:30 a.m. to noon. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.